In today's video, we are going to compare the right and wrong ways to do forward stroking. I will show you the most common mistakes I see skaters make, explain why they limit your speed, power, and efficiency, and demonstrate the correct technique. Pay close attention to your knee bend, body alignment, weight transfer, free leg position, and push direction. Small changes in these fundamentals can make a huge difference in the quality of your skating. Let's look at these skaters of different ages and skill levels performing forward stroking. The number one most common mistake is not bending your skating knee and ankle before pushing into the stroke. This causes the upper body to lean forward while the hips stay behind, making it difficult to generate power and maintain proper balance. The second common mistake is moving your shoulders from side to side instead of keeping your upper body stable and turning out from your hips. When your hips are closed, your free leg doesn't turn out properly, which affects both your balance and the appearance of your skating. It also often causes a toe push instead of clean edge push. Work on opening your hips and turning out your feet as you push from one stroke to the next, while keeping your hips and shoulders facing straight ahead. The third common mistake is pushing too much to the side instead of pushing diagonally. This causes your upper body to bend at the waist and your hips to stay behind your skating foot. It also reduces your balance and power because you are pushing away from your direction of travel instead of propelling yourself forward. Instead, think about extending your pushing leg naturally and simply transferring your weight from one side to the other while moving down the ice. This is only 3 of the most common mistakes skaters make during forward stroking. If you would like to learn more about forward stroking, other fundamental skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins through detailed step-by-step tutorials, sign up for my Figure Skating Foundation video course on my website, styleskating.com. By avoiding common mistakes and learning the proper technique from the very beginning, you will progress faster and become a more confident skater ready to master more advanced skills. Click the link above or look in the description below to sign up today. Now let's take a look at a better execution of forward stroking. While every skater can continue improving, this skater demonstrates the key fundamentals very well. Focus on bending your skating knee and ankle before each push. Push and fully extend your free leg, then glide as long as possible on a bent skating knee and ankle. As your free leg comes in next to your skating foot, let's fully straighten your skating leg just to feel the rhythm of bending and straightening before preparing for the next stroke. Then we bend your skating knee and ankle again, push and glide on the opposite foot. Stay low with a deep knee and ankle, bend until you are ready to bring your feet closer together and straighten your skating leg. This drill will help to understand the knee and ankle action before and after the push. Keep your arms comfortably to the sides with your shoulders and hips facing straight ahead. As you bring your feet together, emphasize opening your hips and knees, then bend both knees and ankles before the next push. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Join my YouTube membership to get access to more detailed tutorials, exclusive content, and personalized videos, while also supporting my channel. Click on the link above or look in the description below to become a member today. Let's take a look at this skater's forward stroking. You can see that her knee and ankle action is much closer to the way it should be. She creates a smooth, effortless flow across the ice. Keep your head up, your arms comfortably extended to the sides, and your shoulders and hips facing forward. Stay relaxed, point your free toe after each push, and fully extend your free leg before bringing it back in for the next stroke. Forward stroking is one of the most important skills in figure skating because it is the foundation for everything else you do on the ice. The better you stroke in technique, the more speed, power, flow, and control you will have for jumps, spins, and footwork. Focus on bending your skating knee and ankle before each push, pushing in the correct direction, keeping your upper body stable, and opening your hips as you transfer your weight from one foot to the other. Thanks for watching today. Happy skating, and I will see you in the next video.